Hello everybody! The farm animals want to play hide and seek Play-Doh with us. We have a pig, a sheep, a horse, and we have a cow. Let's see how we can play hide and seek Play-Doh. Oh no, they've all disappeared. Now we have to see who's in the yellow Play-Doh. Who makes that noise? And has white wool. Looks like it's the sheep. Swish, swish, push the Play-Doh away. Push, push, push. Oh. Ah, is it? We can see ears. Oh, and there's the sheep's eyes. It's a sheep.
Thank you for finding me in the yellow Play-Doh.
Now we have to guess who's in the green Play-Doh. And he's brown. Oh, what's that sound? Oh! Whose eyes is that? I think it's Oh! And what? Who has legs and a tail that looks like that? I think it's the horse. Push, push, push all the Play-Doh away. Push. We found the horse in the green Play-Doh. Hee, we found you.
Oh, I'll have to hide better next time.
Now, who's in the pink Play-Doh? Who could be... Oh, what's that sound? Who's hiding in the pink Play-Doh? And he's pink. It looks like the pink pig was hiding in the pink Play-Doh. We found you.
I bet you found me because I was hiding in the pink Play-Doh and I'm pink.
Now who's in the orange Play-Doh? What's that sound? Oh, and who has patches of brown on their body? Oh, and there's a little mouse hiding on the top. Who could it be? Who makes that sound? And who has a nose like that? It's the cow! We found you in the orange Play-Doh. Oh look, we found all the farm animals.
Good job finding me.
Yay!